The Casa Chacona Museum is found on the ground floor of a house which is actually a 19th century house. When you enter this building, you can see a life-size reproduction of the statue of Kon Tiki, the pre-Incan Son of God. You can also see in the first room examples of sculptures and engravings of bearded gods or deities of Mexico and Peru, in clear contrast to the birdless population of the New World. The second room serves as an introduction to Thor Heyerdahl's cultural parallelisms theory. And you see a wide range of examples of sculptures and engravings of bearded gods from Mexico and Peru here as well. You see in the panels of the room the marine currents, the illustrations of the marine currents of the Atlantic Ocean that facilitated the voyage across the ocean, and then posing the question of whether these currents could have served to allow a transoceanic cultural contact between ancient civilizations based on Heyerdahl. As I mentioned it before, you can see this full-size replica of the Tiahuanaco statue in Bolivia, and it was done by Marian Heyerdahl, representing the pre-Inca Sun God Kon Tiki. According to Inca traditions, these immigrant cultural hero brought civilization to the Andes before he left by Rafi into open Pacific. The Spanish Conquistador Pizarro was mistaken for him because of his beard. The first room also has enlarged reproductions made by Marian Heyerdahl of the bearded gods of Mexico and Peru, copied from originals found in the archaeological excavations and now displayed in North and South American museums. The second room displays a centrally placed map of the Atlantic with mobile currents. To the left are reproductions in painting and sculpture of fair-haired people coming ashore and being sacrificed by darker individuals, as you can see it here, as illustrated in the pre-Columbian frescoes in the Temple of the Warriors at Chichén Itzá on the Atlantic coast of Mexico. As we know, similarly, and here to the right, you see fair-haired Aboriginal of the Canary Islands in 1590. Similarly, fair-haired Africans are found among the Berbers and early Roman frescoes and mosaics from Luxus on the Atlantic coast of Morocco. And the third room displays models of reed boats and shows their dispersal in the ancient world, followed by models and world distribution of stacked pyramids.